Hello everyone, I'll be showing you guys 5 free AI features on CapCut. But before we begin, please like and subscribe. So the first free AI feature I'll be showing you on CapCut is text to speech feature. The text to speech feature, you can write a text and let AI read it for you. Now there are two methods that you can use for this text to speech feature. The first method is you can click on here where you have your text, you click on add text, then after clicking on add text, you can type in whichever text you want. Let me just type CapCut AI features for free. CapCut AI features for free. Then you click on the check mark. So you can click here where you have the text to speech icon, and you can select whichever one you want. This is the male voice. You can click on the female. You can select whichever voice you want here. You can click on the character voice. We have Trickstar, Valley Girl, Wacky, Center, Elfie, and another Center. All these voices here are just free. They are all free. So I'll be using the male voice. Let me just click on one here. So I'll click on Sam.
CapCut AI features for free.
So you heard it. You can choose whichever voice you want here and it will read the text that you have. Then when you choose it, you can click on the check mark so it will generate the speech. So that's how you do your text to speech feature. It's totally free on CapCut. Then for the second method, you can delete this. When you delete it, you still have the AI voice.
CapCut AI features for free.
You still have the AI voice playing in the video, but we've deleted the text. So, but you can still keep the text if you wish, but I'll be deleting the AI voice. So I'll just delete it. Second method, you can go to the text here and you're going to type in, okay, you will just click on here where you have text to audio here. So when you click on text to audio, this is where you can write in the text that you want. So let's say you can enter script yourself or let AI generate script for you. You can let AI generate script for you here. It's totally free. So but I'll just write what I want to write here. CapCut AI features for free. Then you click on done. Then you can select whichever voice you want here. I used Sam before, so I'll be using another voice. You can click here where you have more voices, and you can select whichever voice you want here, or you can just do a voiceover of your own voice. This place where they wrote voiceover, you can click on it and you will record your own voice. Your own voice will read the text. So I'll be using the narrative male.
CapCut AI features for free.
That's the narrative male. It sounds okay, so click on next. It's generating the speech. So let's play it. Let's see how it sounds like.
CapCut AI features for free.
You see how it sounds?
CapCut AI features for free.
The second free AI feature I'll be showing you on CapCut is the auto captions. So when you click on add, the video will appear. So you're going to scroll down to here and click on captions. Then when you click on captions, some templates will automatically generate. You can select whichever one you want here, whichever one that you like here. So I think I'll use this last one here. So when you click on it, to click on play. You're a small YouTuber and you usually upload your videos on YouTube. But every time, as you can see, our captions has been generated. So you can edit your captions. You can click here, edit caption, and you can delete whichever one you want. When you delete it, a clip will automatically delete. Then you can also remove filler words. Filler words are those ums and the ahs and like, when you're talking and you're like so you can delete them. You can delete those places where you were saying as. I don't know if you get me. So you can delete it here. So this is it. You can select whichever one you want. Okay, for example, now let me click on this YouTuber. YouTuber is not a filler word, but I just want to make an example. So when you click on it, let me click on another one. Click on delete. So when you delete these, it will delete. So click on delete. So let's go back and check.
For a small you usually upload your videos, but every time
They deleted the word YouTuber because I deleted it. So YouTuber is gone. You're a small YouTuber, and I clicked on YouTuber. So YouTuber is gone. CapCut will automatically remove those filler words for you. But in this case, I used YouTuber. You can delete your as and like. The third free AI feature I'll be showing you on CapCut is AI generated sticker. I'll be using this picture. So just scroll down and click on stickers. So you can click here where they wrote search stickers. I'll write aeroplane or airplane. Click on search. Then you can choose whichever airplane sticker you want here. The fourth free AI feature I'll be showing you is the teleprompter. So this is how you find it. You scroll down, click on teleprompter here. You can use this to write your script in case you're having trouble to master your script. So you can click here and edit it. You can change the words here and write in your own words, but for this case I'll just be leaving it. Click on done. Then you can click on record. You can use this feature when you can't master your script or when you don't know what to say. You can just use it and type in your words, and it will be moving slowly as you're recording your video. The fifth free AI feature I'll be showing you on CapCut is video effects. So I've already imported this video. What I'm going to do is scroll down to effect, click on effect, then click on video effect. Then I can select whichever video effect I want here. It's totally free. So let me just click on this zoom lens.
but every time you upload your videos, you always tell.
As you can see, then I can click on this shake. It's going to load a bit.
But every time you upload your videos, you always tell.
See how it's shaking. Then you can select whichever one you want. Edge glow.
But every time you upload your videos, you always tell yourself that this video will be better.
So I think I prefer this zoom lens. It looks cool.
But every time you upload your videos, you always tell.
So these are the video effects that you can select, and these ones are the trending ones. You can scroll down and check whichever one you want. Glitch, distortion, spark, love, butterflies. All these things are free on CapCut. So the last and final free AI feature I'll be showing you on CapCut is text to song. You can write in a text and let AI sing it for you. So I'm just going to click on add text. I'm going to write something down. I'll just write Dora the Explorer. Then I'm going to click on the check mark. Then I will click on text to speech. Then when I click on text to speech, I'm going to click on meme song. So you can select whichever one you want here. You can select whichever one that you prefer. So I'll be clicking on this kid's vocalist.
Dora the Explorer.
So as you can see, it sang the text. It's a very, very cool feature. And see all the options we have here. These are the options that we have. So you can go on and choose whichever one you want. So I think I'll go with this first one.
Dora the Explorer.
That's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment. I'd like to know the one that interested you, the edits that you would like to try out. And also please check out my CapCut playlist. See you guys later.